Mujahideen, including a group of about 5 to 6 militants there that can be seen.
Warming themselves around a bonfire in the southern Kashmiri district of Shopian. All the militants seen in the video are locals and part of the Hizbul Mujahideen outfit.
Remember, militants had struck in the same area earlier this morning. There were a total of 5 fatalities, 4 army soldiers martyred when they were ambushed by the army when the army patrol was ambushed after it was returning back after the QoS operation there in the area.
The video assumes significance in the backdrop of the Shopian attack. According to local intelligence sources, Lashkar and Hizbul Mujahideen militants have held a meeting in South Kashmir recently where they have decided to carry out joint attacks against the security forces. Our colleague Arish Bilal joining us from Srinagar now. Arish, this video assumes significance, like we said, because it happened around the time the Shopian attack took place, and we've already played videos in the recent past of Lashkar commanders meeting Hizbul commanders and deciding to do joint operations.
Well, that's absolutely right. In fact, the video has been shot in Shopian area where the dreaded attack took place early in the morning today, in which 4 army jawans lost their lives, and we are told that this could be the same group which the security forces were tracking, for which they were conducting the search and cordon operation in Shopian area. And when they were returning from that operation, they were ambushed by the group of militants, and most probably this could be the group behind the Shopian attack. Remember, the security forces have been suffering heavy casualties in the recent attacks by the militants, and this could be the fallout of a secret meeting that was held between the Lashkar-e-Toiba and Hizbul Mujahideen militants recently in South Kashmir area, where they have decided to fight together and launch a giant strategy against the security forces. And our security experts telling us that this could be one of the reasons that the security forces are suffering heavy casualties. Remember, 4 army jawans lost their lives in Hajin encounter, which was followed by the killing of a major in Handwara on the same day. And today we saw that 3 army jawans lost their lives in Shopian encounter. So the militants very active there in South Kashmir, and video after video coming out from that side.
That's right. Arish, of course, saying that to an extent having been established, this perhaps was the same group that the security forces were tracking in all these days. Unfortunately, them already having caused the nature of martyrs, about 4 Indian Army men, including Army Major, and a civilian woman having been killed in that attack. What are your sources telling now? Is the whereabouts of this group seen on the video been established?
Well, this group is active in the Shopian belt of South Kashmir. Remember, South Kashmir has been very active militancy-wise, and the security forces have taken a proactive approach regarding the counterinsurgency operations in that area. Though there is no specific information about the current location of this group of militants, but yes, they are on the radar of the security forces, and this being the reason that a nocturnal coordinated search operation was held in Chitragaon village of Shopian today, and though no arrests were made during that operation, but the party that conducted that operation, when that was returning, that came under this ambush attack of the militants, and most probably, according to the source in army and police, this group could be behind this attack, which inflicted heavy casualties on the security forces. But the security forces, we are told, are analyzing this video, and they are definitely going to go after these militants.
All right. Speaking of casualties, Arish, 4 Indian Army men